This module, we're going to be talking about how specifically, if you're a chapter president, you're going to be creating chapter-based channels as well. So we're going to be going down here. And as you guys know, the hierarchy of the organization is that at the very top, you got the executive board, and then below, you got the individual university chapters. And since you're most likely going to be a high school student watching this, each of the chapters, also university chapters, are also taking care of a regional board that surrounds your region. So let's say if you're the University of Pennsylvania, it's located in Philadelphia, and therefore their corresponding regional board will be Philadelphia. And this is where your management comes in. So there's going to be the individual regional boards of the organization. We got around 30 across the board. We got 15 domestically, 15 globally. So in the case of Philadelphia, you'll get all these 10 high school chapters. That's going to be a coalition. And then within each high school chapter, you're going to have a list of executives, as well as, let's say, chapter specific executives, as well as a list of general members as well. So today we're going to be talking about how to navigate the Slack channel as well a little bit better. But I'm most likely going to think that we're going to just sectionalize this. Maybe I'll just teaching you guys about the chapter presidents, how to create a channel for communications henceforth for your members. Yeah. So first of all, you're going to navigate yourself to the sidebar, and then you're going to press on Slack channels. You can create channels, and one thing that I want you guys to put as a setting for all the different channels is going to be to make sure that they are blank channels and that they are also going to be publicly available for people to join. So I'm going to be giving an example with domestic chapters. So you want to write the specific suffix, okay? So it has to start with region, the word region. And this is going to be referring to the fact that this is a domestic chapter. And then I want you to add a hyphen in between region and the next word, which is going to be the specific region designation you're going to be having. And this region designation will be provided to you by whoever is recruiting you. So let's say, for example, for the New York regional board, we're going to have New York 1. Some of the regions are also numbered on the basis of how large the region is. So New York City, for example, has 5 boroughs in addition to the upstate region. So that's the reason why we number New York. So New York 1 specific to, let's say, Manhattan and the Bronx, for example. So let's say the Bronx School of Science. But we'll be specific so that there's not going to be a lot of debate about which chapters, because there's different schools named the Bronx. Yeah. In any case, so create. And ideally, the way I want you guys to do this, instead of sending an invite link for people to join the Slack channel itself, I want you as the chapter president of the chapter to also invite people specifically to the chapter messaging as well. So this is going to be the place where you're going to be having all of your conversations henceforth. So no private group chats that you're going to have beyond. Make sure that all conversations and communications are going to be via the Slack browser itself. So whatever your members are, just name and email address, just type them in, and then you'll be able to invite them into the specific let me just get rid of that specific group channel as well. So this is a place where you're going to be communicating, and you're going to have supervisors. So most likely it's going to be if we go back to the hierarchy, the university chapter president will be managing the regional board in collaboration with the board chair of the regional board. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So thank you so much for talking, and we'll see you guys very soon. Yeah.